How y'all doing today? My name is Joel and welcome to Into My GT Entertainment. Today we are going to meet up with Brad and then we're going to go down to Jamie's shop and then we're going to do a little bit of upgrades on Electra today. What the upgrades are, you shall see. I guess I could tell y'all. We are taking out the iBot sway bar and we're putting the BMR Anti-Roll Kit on. So we're going to have a little bit more stability in the rear, and that squeaking noise that I keep bitching about, that'll be gone hopefully, and be a whole different thing. We'll go through some of the steps of it, taking it off, putting the new stuff on and stuff like that. I don't know how in-depth I'm going to be about it, but I will show you at least the finished product and where it began with. So we'll catch you on the road. Like I said, here in Richmond it's kind of rainy today, but the sun just came out, so it might be a good day to do some spirited driving. So we'll check you out, back y'all in a few. All right, peace. All right guys, we have now just started with the disassembling of the sway bar, and Jamie is taking out my resonators as we speak. I'll show you what's going on. It'll be a little loud, but just want to show you. But yeah, we will continue on. Alright guys, we have gotten the rear suspension off that we need to take off. He's working on the resonators. And if you're wondering what the resonators are, there's this piece right here, getting chopped off and then welded into a new part. There's my courses, and there's what is going on there. So yeah, we'll continue on with this and see where we end up. All right everybody, so we had to go ahead and well, Jamie obviously had to go ahead and slot these so they would fit more flush. And then coming down here, don't worry about that, that's gonna be moved. So this part is up, and you had to do the same thing on this side. You had to slot this one so it'll slide up a little bit. So now we're moving on to putting on the actual anti-roll. This is acting like the sway bar, and that's the anti-roll part. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on and see what other troubles we can get into. Alright guys, let me show you where we're at right now. We have this connected, all that. Got it welded and painted right up in there. Got it all tightened up and buttoned up here. Biggest headache was trying to get these brackets on with the exhaust, and that we got those adjusted. So right now he's tapping up where the resonators were. I'm gonna run a pipe in there and then even out the exhaust, and we should be golden. So, but we'll get back to you in a sec. While he does that, we'll go ahead and kind of swing through here and take a bottom peek of everything. Just scraping up my cooks. Flat spot on that. Alright guys, the car is back in the garage and everything is installed. I'm going to do, I guess, a later video with the sound of the exhaust and how I feel about the sway bars. Right now it makes a little clunking noise, which I got to figure out where it's coming from. I'm going to be working on that a little later. Let me see if I can give you a shot, at least what it looks like under the car. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but right there. yeah, I mean, that's what it is. And I traded one noise for another, so now I'm gonna figure that out. All right, guys. Well, that's all I got for today. So if any of y'all have that type of setup, let me know and tell me how y'all enjoy it or don't enjoy it or what have you. Like I said, mine makes a little bit of noise, but the car is lowered. Had noise before, but now it has a different noise. But we'll get around to it. And I got my exhaust straight and everything. That's exceedingly loud now. So yeah, we'll get a ticket soon, I think. But anyway, we'll catch you on the next video. Stay cool, and remember, the best part of the videos are y'all, and we'll see you on the next one.